Hey, I I was just thinking of you, and I see you flying first class all the time, staying at five-star hotels with these American Express credit cards, but I really miss you, and I think you should take me on a flight so we can rekindle things.
All I can say is I wasn't really supposed to pick up this phone call, but I'm feeling nice. I've dropped a free course. You can go check it out. It tells you everything you need to know on how to travel for free, how to stay at the luxury hotels. Maybe you could go with another guide because me and you are done. So yeah, go check it out. Women.
What's up everyone? I'm on a mission to bust all the myths people have about credit and travel hacking once and for all. The reason I'm doing this is that I see so many people losing a lot of money when it comes to travel. Either people are paying ridiculous prices for five-star hotels like the one I was staying at last week, or they're cheaping out and settling for two-star hotels. But what if I told you that you can stay in a place like this for nearly a tenth of the regular price? For example, the villa that I stayed at in the Ritz-Carlton in Langkawi normally costs £1,000 per night, but I'm only paying £89 a night for that room. The same goes for flights. I flew first class with Emirates to Malaysia, a flight that would normally cost you £8,000, but I only paid £360. As you can see, I'm saving a lot of money, and I'm tired of watching my friends and other good people miss out on experience like this just because they don't know how to get these deals. The secret to making all of this possible is credit and understanding how the travel industry works. When you combine these two things, you can stay in five-star hotels for a fraction of the price and fly business class for cheaper than economy. Now you might be wondering, why am I doing this? If I can help you travel in business class, stay at luxury five-star hotels and get real results with my free course, then I would have earned the right to ask you to invest in more advanced coaching on credit, helping you secure funding and get the most out of the credit world. Now, what if I told you this free credit course has already unlocked free travel for over 4,000 people who have gone through the content? All you have to do is watch this video until the end to find out how to access it. Here's what I'll be giving away for free. I'm going to break down the basics of credit so you can understand how powerful these little pieces of plastic can be. I'll also dive into manufactured spending and show you a method to generate tons of points without spending extra money. I'll cover how to use airline credit cards to your advantage and how to book flights for maximum point efficiency. On top of that, I'll do a live step-by-step tutorial of me personally booking a business class flight for £300. I'll even share some top secret hacks I've never given away before. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get access to all of this? Before I drop £100,000 worth of value, I want to over deliver for you. I'm going to unlock the hidden gem section. That's 16 extra videos when you get access to the course. These will help you continue to score business class flights and five-star hotels for pennies, as long as you follow the blueprint that I am going to give you for free. To access it, just click the link in my bio, which will take you to school.com. There you'll find the free course in the classroom section. All you have to do is sign up for school, which takes less than a minute and is completely free. Now, one last thing, 99% of people watching videos like this or this video in general will never take action. Now that I'm giving away more value than anyone else has ever, all I ask is that you show up and take massive action. So go and head over to school at Credit Club or click the link in the description. I don't want a single dollar from you. I just want you to sign up and start making moves. Stop wasting your money and start flying business class and staying at five-star hotels.